everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Francis.
My name is Reggie.
And today, as you can see, we are going to do a Louis Vuitton unboxing. A his and hers unboxing. So we recently went to Hawaii, and that was the last vacation that I took before I entered nursing. Before I entered my nursing clinical or my nursing core classes. And it was actually a great trip because that's where we took our maternity pictures at the Hu'umula Lulula.
It's
It's like
what?
Botanical Garden.
The Hawaiian Botanical Garden.
Yeah. So today we'll be sharing what we got from Hawaii. We actually purchased our Louis Vuitton items in Hawaii, except for one for mine. I actually bought it before we left. It was originally supposed to be a gift for my sister, but she was like, I want Gucci. So I got her Gucci for her birthday, and I just kept this for myself. Before we went to Louis, I actually had this purse in mind. I was secretly like, this is kind of why I want to go to Hawaii, because one, in Hawaii, for people from the mainland, they have a discount, which is for different retailers, it's different. Like for Saint Laurent, last time we went, we got 20% off, and it was 20% off still the original price. And if you don't know your prices for these retailers, like for specific items, you won't really know that you are actually getting a discount. Like last time I got my Lulu bag there for like 20% off, and so instead of it being over $1,000, I got it for under $1,000. And yeah, so actually at Louis Vuitton, they only give 10% off compared to Saint Laurent giving 20% off. So it's 10% off, and their tax is really low there. So
4%.
it's like 4 or 5%. So it's still a couple $100s less than purchasing in the mainland. So it was really awesome that we were able to get this. We actually did splurge a little bit more than what we expected.
Yes.
But we're really excited to share with you. So let's get started. You want to go first?
Sure.
Okay.
This is a bag.
Shopping bag. And I prefer the old school ones, like 10, 12 years ago when I got my first Louis. It was brown and it was very subtle. I don't like these bright ass colors. It's so obvious, like when you get a Louis bag, you know? Like people can just like jack you as you're walking. But anyway.
Here's the box.
That's the box. We obviously already used our items, but we repackaged it just for this video because it usually comes with a ribbon.
Oh yeah.
So here's the box.
Magnetic.
And so it comes with
A dust bag.
And Reggie actually got another bum bag, or if you want to, Louis calls this one a sling bag. This one is the
Avenue Sling Bag.
It's so cute, and it's in the monogram canvas. They actually have it in the graphite as well, I believe, and the epi leather. But this one's really nice. Like he has you have an all black Saint Laurent one. If you've seen our Valentine's Day video in Napa, he did an unboxing of that purse. Merce. And then he was like, I want something neutral.
It's not neutral.
I was like, okay, but it has black on it, so it's neutral in a way because it has like brown. But there you go. It has how many pockets?
2 pockets. So front pocket that you can zip.
Go in the center. You can zip.
Yes, a zipper pocket.
A zipper pocket.
There's nothing inside. It's just space.
There's no slots.
No. And
How
then
does the big one look?
The main compartment also zips up like this. It does have one slot, big slot in the back.
What do you put in here?
My wallet. Got the sling, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
You could switch sides. Just unclip this. And then you could put on this side. Depending on what side you can shoulder, I guess you want to wear it on.
Mm-hmm. And then you do adjust it for shorter or longer?
Yeah, there's an adjustment right.
Oh, okay. So it's a... Okay. Can you show us how it looks on?
Sure.
Okay. Like, what is the dimensions of it?
So it's, I guess, 8 inches wide,
Mm-hmm.
12 inches tall, and
From here?
from top to bottom,
Uh-huh.
and I guess 3 or 4, about 4 inches.
Diameter?
Diameter? There's a circle here.
Depth.
Thick.
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 Oh, look, the diameter is...
Fuck you.
It's 3.9 inches to be exact.
Okay.
Yeah.
In depth. That's what I was trying to say.
You said diameter.
Anyway, I actually got that for him for his birthday. His birthday's in July. He's a Cancer. He doesn't really know what that means, but yeah, we went to Hawaii early June. So I was like, okay, I guess your birthday's coming up. I'll just get you this, and that's it. I'm done because I'm in nursing school. I can't get you anything else. And then next, what is this? Show off the bag.
Shopping bag.
What is this? Oh, you know what? He's not supposed
Card
to.
case.
Oh my god! He's not supposed to open this until his actual birthday. I allowed him to use a sling bag. So, whatever.
Opens.
Show it. So I actually have this too. I unboxed this at Christmas. This is one of my Christmas gifts to myself.
I love this bag.
Cute.
And there you go.
It's a little card case, and the beauty of it is like it's neutral. Like it can't. This was like in the women's section, but I mean, he's a guy. He could use it.
It's perfect in my purse.
Yes. So show it together.
So we go ahead and link the items below.
So,
City girls.
I got 2 items recently. This is hella big. So I'm gonna actually start with what I got in May, which was originally supposed to be a gift for somebody, but so I've been eyeing this for a while. It was just something I was like, I'm just gonna buy it. You know, treat yourself all the time. But here's a shopping bag. And then this one is quite large. I mean, not really, but anyway. Don't have the ribbon because I already used it.
Magnet.
Yeah, magnet. And then there's the sticker, the Louis sticker that they seal it with. And the dust bag. Well, you can already see it sticking out. So what I purchased was the Toiletry Bag in the size 26. So you see a lot of girls wearing this as a clutch, and that's exactly what I've been using it for. It's actually a good size. It's perfect. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have the Kirigami pouches, the one that's 3-in-1, and this is larger than the Kirigami. But it's quite roomy. You know, I could fit like, I don't know, maybe I'll just do a review video showing like what I can fit in this, but I love it.
What's in my bag?
What's in my bag? Reggie has been asking me to do one of those videos for the last 10 years. Cause
What's in my Celine?
Yeah, he wanted me to do what's in my Celine, which I still have my Celine bag. So this is the largest of the toiletry bags, and when they had it available in the store, I was like, I had to get it because they're usually sold out. A lot of girls use it for a clutch, and from what I remember, it's about like maybe almost 8 inches, so it's probably like 7.9, similar to your bag. And then the length is probably almost 10 inches, but it's perfect for like just to grab and go. I actually use it as an organizer for my purses too, like for work. Yeah.
Love the accents.
I will link this down below. And then now for my second one. This huge bag. So like I mentioned earlier, I've been wanting this bag for years. You know, everybody has it. But I just didn't like the monogram or the prints that they had for it. And I thought, well, now that we're expecting, why not get a mommy bag or something that's like a mommy bag?
Meant to be too.
It was meant to be. So it's funny because when we went into the store, Reggie's like, do you have any sling bags? I want to look at those. And in my head, I was like, oh my god, I want to go to the women's section. But I was like, oh, let's just go look for him first, whatever, right? And then inside, I was like, God, hurry up, you know. And then when we went downstairs to the women's section, the sales associate was like, there's only one bag of this in the entire store. And someone else started looking at it, right? And then I was like, oh my god. And then she's like, why didn't you tell me earlier? And I was like, oh, I was just trying to be nice, like so he can look for his birthday present, whatever. And then it's true, I was like dying inside, right? And so they had a black version of this one. So I was looking at it and I was like, I don't need another black purse. I already have a Celine, you know? And then the lady who was looking at this particular color, I went to get the black version. I went next to her in the mirror and I was like, do you really like that color? I think the black one's better. So I was like trying to sell her, but she's like hella long. I don't think she really spoke English, but she was just like, oh, haha. And I was like, well, I'm watching you. So we're like watching her on the other side of the counter with our sales associate. We're just like, sales associate was like, she's not gonna get it. People like her, which is like, dang, you guys hella judging. She was like, they like smaller bags. They don't like bigger bags. And then it was the last, she was narrowing like 3 bags down. And then it was the last bag on the counter for her. And I was like, shit, she's gonna get it. And then she didn't. And so I got it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, let's see. It's big. Okay, big dust bag. This is one of the biggest dust bags I have from Louis. Can you guess what it is?
I know what it is.
So it's the Never Full MM in the color, I believe they call it Turtle Dove. And oh my god, I absolutely love it. And inside is kind of like chocolate brownish.
Brownie brown.
I love it. Yeah, brownie brown more. Yeah, and then, you know, for Never Full now, back in like 2008 and 9, they didn't really have these, the pouches that connect or detach. It has a matching pouch. Oh, that's all the tags for how to care for it. The price tags. So this material is the Empriante. You can see it's like embossed. It's not like the monogram canvas, which I love about it. And the color I love, it's so neutral because I already have like a Saint Laurent that's all white, and then I have my black Celine that's like this size too. Empriante only comes in the MM. I was always debating if I wanted the PM, but I kind of knew it was like too small, and then the GM is huge for me, and it would just probably flap from side to side, but this one's like a perfect size. I'm 5 foot, and I feel like it doesn't look too large for me or too small. It fits my laptop, which I have a 13-inch MacBook Pro, so I love it. It's just so pretty. And then even on the bottom, it's like smaller embossed of the Louis symbol. And then, and I've known I wanted this purse for so long that I already had the organizer on Amazon in my cart for save for later for years, because I was like, should I get it? So I decided to get the two-tone purse organizer because it matches the outside and the inside of the bag. So it has all the organizers you need for your purse, so it fits so simply into here. You want to hold this for me, please?
It's like a glove.
Fits like a glove, and I attached this to
Oh, so it doesn't fall
the
out.
pouch. Yeah, so it doesn't like shift, but it doesn't really shift because it fits perfectly. So you can see here all the organization that you can have in your purse. You know, because I hate throwing things in your purse and you're just like, where is it? Where is it? Oh, my chapstick in my watch right here. But yeah, I'm so excited. This will be my mommy bag, I guess.
Show the side.
Oh, I showed the side. So,
No, did you pull it?
oh yeah, you know, on the side, you know, on the sides, you could also tighten it to just like make it more, I don't know, structured or compact.
If it folds in.
It folds in, but like since I have the organizer in here,
Oh, it doesn't.
let's take it out. Anyway, I'm not going to do this side. So that's how it looks if you fold it in. I don't really like it. It makes it look like smaller. I don't know. I don't really like that look. I prefer it loosened. And yeah.
Bag.
Purse. Okay, so anyway, that's it. That's all for our Louis Vuitton unboxing today. We hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave any comments below. Positive energy only. Don't be rude. And yeah, so we hope you come back. We'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.